There's a baby.
That can go with your picture of Ava and Bear's Kennel.
Yes. There's Ella in the other dog kennel.
You're good.
Daddy's playing poker. And Ella's being babysat by the dog kennel.
Are you taking pictures or recording?
Recording.
Yeah. Pretty chicks there.
I didn't tell you guys that I turned professional. I've been going over my name and
Anna's on the move.
What, you believe me?
Who's winning over here? Benjamin? Yes. You did? I was your good luck.
Yeah, come on over here.
Yeah. Busy. Busy.
Okay, check.